Struggling to close sales? The problem isn't your pitch, it's your approach. Let's fix that. People buy with their hearts, so facilitating a strong emotional connection can turn hesitation into commitment. The next time you make a sales call or go to an appointment, instead of listing policy benefits, share real stories where insurance changed someone's life. Say things like, insurance isn't a product you can hold, but it is a way to mitigate risk. When you show your potential new client the risks of going without coverage and address the real people and emotions behind the curtain, then you can move on to the next step. Insurance can feel overwhelming. Too many options, too much jargon, and too many sales pitches. Stand out by making the process easy. Break it into small, low-pressure steps that invite a simple yes. Try a soft opener like, would you be open to reviewing a quote? Instead of bombarding clients with numbers and terms. Rushing the pitch can confuse them and push them away. Remember, trust takes time. Building a business is a marathon, not a sprint. We did just say not to rush your client, but creating a sense of urgency is a little different. Scarcity drives decisions, so present all the reasons why they shouldn't wait. Here's an example. Life insurance is cheaper the younger you sign up for a plan, so urge clients not to wait until they're older and have more health issues to sign up. Federal deadlines also limit when certain policies are available, so be upfront about key dates. A well-placed sense of urgency turns hesitation into action without feeling pushy. Most sales aren't lost to rejection, they're lost to silence. As we discussed a few weeks ago with compliance expert Sherry Miller, a good insurance agent will follow up with their clients often and with intention. Instead of a generic check-in, give your prospect a personal call and show them what they can expect by signing up with you. And do some research on some of their concerns before calling. For example, I looked into your issue and I have ideas in mind that can help. Clients are always more inclined to work with someone who shows they've put time and thought into their case. The best insurance agents don't rely on luck. They master the psychology of decision making. By fostering trust with your prospect, closing will become natural. If you like this insight, subscribe to our channel to put more health, life, and financial tips on your radar. Thanks, everyone.